this is what I'm so impressive. Look at this. So you've got the Rakshita dry cleaner just under a tree, folks, and you could do your washing and ironing and wow, amazing. Beautiful. And that's a proper coal iron. That amazing. Look at that. It's all, even the t-shirts ironed. I'm going to bring my iron. This little setup. This is what we need to support wherever you are. Doesn't matter what capacity you have. You must come here and promote the individual cottage industries like this. Small business, it goes. And there we are. If you're here, Rakshita dry cleaner, washing and iron. Phone numbers on there. Here in Bangalore, downtown, just right next to the race course. It's got a beautiful cold press iron there. Look, amazing. Wow, it's really heavy, and it's coal burning. Wow, unbelievable. Thank you, sir. Wow, amazing. You can see the coal burning. This is how it all started in the old times. Right under it. It's amazing. I will continue to promote this, a one man's business. As you go past, instead of paying these corporations, this is the work, these are the jobs that we must protect and promote around the world. Yes, a little bit of charcoal. No electricity, no waste of electricity, current.